sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London.
The Lilium Jet is a cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft currently being developed by German aerospace company Lilium GmbH. Aiming to redefine regional air mobility, the Lilium Jet features a sleek, futuristic design and is being engineered for both efficiency and comfort. The aircraft will have a 7-seat configuration, including space for 6 passengers and 1 pilot, making it well-suited for urban and intercity travel. What sets the Lilium Jet apart is its focus on noise reduction and environmental friendliness. Unlike traditional helicopters that are loud and fuel-intensive, the Lilium Jet is powered by 36 fully electric ducted fans. These are strategically mounted, 6 on each of the 2 forward canards and 12 on each rear wing. This distributed propulsion system is designed not only to reduce mechanical complexity, but also to minimize noise pollution, with sound levels comparable to a passing car rather than a helicopter. The aircraft's design includes 12 tiltable rear flaps that enable vertical takeoff and landing, transitioning smoothly into horizontal flight once airborne. Its efficient electric propulsion system allows for a remarkable range of up to 300 kilometers, or about 186 miles, on a single charge, significantly farther than most eVTOL competitors currently under development. The Lilium Jet is a bold step towards sustainable, efficient, and convenient air travel. Its potential to revolutionize regional transportation by drastically cutting commute times while maintaining low operational costs makes it one of the most promising entries in the growing field of electric aviation. While still under development, it represents a glimpse into a future where clean and quiet air taxis could become a daily mode of transportation for many. The Wasuma V8M is an extraordinary fusion of engineering brilliance and raw performance, crafted for those who crave speed, uniqueness, and futuristic design. What truly sets it apart is its Ferrari-derived 3.0-liter V8 engine, a powerhouse capable of delivering an exhilarating 50 horsepower. This immense output translates into lightning-fast acceleration and top-tier performance, placing the V8M in a category of its own. Whether tearing down a track or zipping through open roads, this machine is built to thrill at every turn. Unlike conventional vehicles, the Wasuma V8M features a distinctive quad-wheel configuration that merges the stability and power of a car with the agility and excitement of a motorcycle. Its low-slung, lightweight frame and aerodynamic profile make it incredibly responsive and nimble, allowing for precision handling even at high speeds. This design not only enhances performance, but also gives the vehicle a visually striking presence that looks straight out of a sci-fi film. Engineered for adrenaline seekers and automotive purists alike, the Wasuma V8M offers more than just transportation. It delivers an experience. From the roar of the V8 engine to the cutting-edge mechanics beneath its sculpted body, every detail has been fine-tuned for maximum impact. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of innovation, speed, and exclusivity, built for those who demand the extraordinary. The Cirrus Thunders is an electrifying innovation in the world of water sports, offering a completely new way to surf that breaks free from traditional wave dependence. This high-performance electric surfboard reaches an impressive top speed of 70 kilometers per hour, powered by a robust motor that delivers both speed and control. With a battery life that supports up to 60 minutes of ride time, users can enjoy an extended, uninterrupted session on the water, whether cruising calmly or chasing an adrenaline rush. What makes the Cirrus Thunders stand out is its versatility. Unlike conventional surfboards that require specific wave conditions, the Thunders allows riders to surf on virtually any body of water. From quiet lakes and rivers to active marinas and coastal zones, it transforms these spaces into thrilling surf arenas. This broadens access to the sport, making it appealing not only to seasoned surfers, but also to beginners and casual adventurers. Its sleek, portable design ensures ease of transport and storage, while the intuitive controls and responsive handling make it suitable for users of varying skill levels. Whether you're carving sharp turns or gliding smoothly across the surface, the Cirrus Thunders provides a dynamic and immersive experience that feels both futuristic and natural. Currently priced at $9,999, the Cirrus Thunders positions itself as a premium product, designed for those who are passionate about outdoor sports and eager to embrace cutting-edge recreation. It's more than just a surfboard. It's a gateway to freedom, excitement, and a completely reimagined connection to the water. The quarter-horse MCO-1 represents a major leap forward in high-speed aviation development, and recent ground testing has brought it one step closer to flight. Conducted at Edwards Air Force Base, this intensive 21-day test campaign was designed to validate all major systems of the aircraft. The process involved integrated testing of vehicle subsystems, along with a specially designed custom flight deck tailored for remote piloting operations. One of the key components of the testing phase was the 130-knot, approximately 150 miles per hour, taxi test, which was essential for verifying aerodynamic performance and confirming the effectiveness of control surfaces under realistic operating conditions. These tests were not just about functionality, they were about precision and reliability. By simulating actual takeoff conditions and pushing the limits of the vehicle on the ground, Hermes was able to fine-tune the design and confirm that its performance matched the predicted aerodynamic models. This level of detail is crucial for ensuring safe and efficient flight when the aircraft eventually takes to the skies. With the successful completion of ground testing, Hermes is now focused on the final phase of pre-flight preparation, obtaining flight certification from both the U.S. Air Force and the Federal Aviation Administration. This approval is a critical step that will allow the quarter-horse MCO-1 to embark on its maiden flight, a milestone that could redefine the possibilities of high-speed air travel in the near future. As Hermes pushes the boundaries of supersonic and potentially hypersonic flight, the quarter-horse MCO-1 stands as a promising indicator of the next era in aviation. The Eviation Alice represents a major leap forward in the aviation industry, offering a cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable mode of air travel. Designed as a fully electric commuter aircraft, Alice is capable of carrying 9 passengers and 2 crew members, making it ideal for short to medium-haul regional flights. Developed in Israel, this futuristic-looking aircraft features a sleek design that includes a tricycle landing gear configuration and 2 rear-mounted electric motors. What sets it apart, however, is its construction. Made from 95% composite materials, the Alice is exceptionally lightweight, which contributes to its efficiency and lower energy consumption. One of the most significant milestones in its journey was the successful completion of its first flight on September 27, 2022. This achievement didn't just demonstrate the aircraft's flight capabilities, but also signaled a shift toward environmentally responsible aviation. With zero carbon emissions, minimal noise pollution, and dramatically lower operating costs compared to traditional planes, Alice is poised to become a game-changer in regional air travel. It offers not only an efficient solution for passengers, but also presents opportunities for sustainable cargo transport. As the demand for green transportation options grows, the Alice provides a compelling glimpse into the future of flight. With its revolutionary design and performance, it paves the way for an era where air travel can be both eco-conscious and economically viable, reshaping how we connect cities, move goods, and think about aviation as a whole. The Aki K1 AI trainer is a revolutionary step forward in home fitness technology, combining intelligent features with a modern, mirror-like design that blends seamlessly into any living space. Far more than a typical fitness device, this AI-powered trainer offers an immersive and highly personalized workout experience, with access to over 140 classes and 280 unique movements. What truly sets it apart is its real-time form correction system, which analyzes your body movements and provides instant feedback to help prevent injuries and ensure each exercise is performed with precision. This not only improves safety, but significantly boosts the effectiveness of your workouts. At the core of the AKK1 is an adaptive AI that creates customized training programs based on your unique fitness level and goals. It performs a detailed assessment of your physical condition, including heart rate monitoring and progress tracking, then adjusts your routine to ensure continuous growth and challenge. Whether you're aiming to build strength, improve flexibility, or simply stay active, the K1 delivers smart coaching tailored to your evolving needs. This all-in-one solution transforms your home into a state-of-the-art gym, making consistent training both convenient and enjoyable. It encourages you to train smarter, not harder, offering a truly futuristic fitness experience that keeps you motivated and progressing every step of the way. The Espace Space Urchin, also known as the Prefocus Award, is a prestigious honor celebrating remarkable achievements in space exploration and scientific research. Presented annually by the Espace Foundation, a Paris-based nonprofit dedicated to advancing space education and public engagement, this award shines a spotlight on innovation and dedication in the field of space science. Named after the space urchin, a deep-sea creature that symbolizes resilience and adaptability, the award reflects the spirit required for humanity's pursuit of knowledge beyond Earth. These qualities, perseverance in extreme conditions and adaptability to the unknown, are essential traits for space pioneers. The Prefocus Award is conferred upon individuals or teams who have made significant contributions to our understanding of the universe. Past honorees include a diverse group of astronauts, astrophysicists, aerospace engineers, and educators, all of whom have played key roles in pushing the boundaries of space discovery. The award ceremony is held in Paris, France, in a formal gala setting, attended by leaders in science, technology, education, and industry. Through the Prefocus and other initiatives, the Espace Foundation aims to inspire the next generation of space explorers, foster global cooperation, and highlight the importance of continued investment in space research and innovation. The Arc Aerosystems C-150 is a groundbreaking cargo aircraft developed with a focus on efficient, short-distance transportation, especially in areas that are difficult to access. This innovative aircraft is built for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, enabling it to operate without the need for traditional runways, which makes it especially useful for remote deliveries, emergency logistics, or operations in rugged environments. It is designed to be remotely piloted and offers flexible configuration options with either a fully electric or hybrid electric powertrain. The all-electric model of the C-150 offers a flight duration of up to 60 minutes, ideal for quick transport operations with minimal environmental impact. For missions that demand longer airtime, the hybrid electric version significantly extends operational capacity to around 4 hours. With a consistent cruise speed of 100 kilometers per hour, the aircraft can cover distances up to 160 kilometers efficiently, reducing delays and transportation costs for cargo handlers. Capable of carrying up to 30 kilograms of cargo, the C-150 is tailored for short-haul missions that require speed and reliability, especially where conventional ground transport might be impractical or slow. Its operational design focuses on reducing logistical complexity and enhancing accessibility in supply chain operations. Whether used in disaster relief efforts, isolated area resupply, or last-mile delivery networks, the Arc Aerosystems C-150 showcases the power of VTOL technology in transforming the cargo delivery landscape, pushing the boundaries of how we think about aerial logistics and sustainability in the modern world.